Do you know your ABCs? Come and sing along with me. Here's a trick that works so fast. Say the letter, make it last. F says ah, ah, ah. Your turn. A. B says b, b, b. Your turn. B. C says k, k, k. Your turn. C. D says d, d, d. Your turn. D. E says your turn. E. F says your turn. F. G says g, g, g. Your turn. G. H says your turn. H. I says E, E, E. I. J says j, 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 J. K says k, 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 K. L says r, L. M says M. N says N. O says O. P says p, p, P. Q says qu, 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 Q. R says R. S says S. T says t, 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 T. U says U. V says V. W says W. X says x, 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 X. Y says Y. Z says Z. You did it! You know your letters. You're getting smarter, yes, much better. Give a clap. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. The ABC song you just can't beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Great job, little buddy. Sing again sometime.